Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. Benelli has officially launched the new 2022 Benelli Tornado 252R model for the first time in China. Equipped with a 250cc two-cylinders engine to compete with the rivals in the market such as Honda CBR 250RR, Kawasaki Ninja 250 and the Yamaha R25. So let's check this out. For information, previously this Italian-Chinese manufacturer had also presented the Benelli Tornado 302R in May. And right on the 29th August 2021, Benelli officially presented the Tornado 252R 2022 at the Ningbo circuit, China. In terms of the design, Tornado 252R 2022 possesses a modern sports style. The lines are aggressive and sharp, and the front fairing includes two-stage LED with impressive DRL lights on both sides. In terms of the features, Tornado 252R 2022 is equipped with an upside-down front suspension, ABS braking system, LCD display screen, and a single disc brake. While the engine is a 249cc two-cylinders DOHC that provides maximum power 25.7 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and a maximum torque 24.1 newtons at 6,500 RPM. The fuel tank capacity is 14 liters and the weight is about 177 kilograms. The price of the 2022 Benelli Tornado 252R that sold in China is 25,800 yuan or around $3,990 US. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoy this video.